of approximately 80 million. Being a densely populated country with a mostly mountainous terrain, there is very little space available for new landfills. This is why MacPress has been producing municipal solid waste transfer stations in this country for several years. The city of Iksan has a waste transfer station comprised of 2 Mac 110L balers and 2 wrapping machines. The facility has been in operation for approximately 2 years. The primary baler used was recently purchased. The backup machine was built in 1997 and recently reconditioned. Waste is brought to the transfer center on special vehicles designed to carry solid waste. Trucks are weighed and directed to the waste tipping floor. Municipal solid waste is placed in plastic bags. The center also accepts bulky waste, such as household appliances, mattresses, etc. The facility utilizes a slow-speed twin-shaft shredder to reduce the volume of bulky waste. The shredder is also used to open the plastic bags automatically. A magnet has been installed along the loading conveyor to recover scrap metal. The scrap metal is sold to the steel mill for recycling. Waste can be easily baled without pre-shredding. In this case, the customer prefers to open the bags to recover metals. The use of a bag opening shredder was essential in order to recover this material with a magnet. The solid waste balers are fed by using a metal slat conveyor. The 2 Mac 110L balers feature a wrapping line. The balers in the video have over 5,000 hours of operation. Only one unit is routinely used, and the second baler is backup during regular cleaning and maintenance. A bypass hopper is installed so that either of the 2 balers can be fed with a single conveyor belt. The MacPress model Mac 110L is constructed entirely with Hardox 500 wear-resistant replaceable liners. The wear-resistant lining is used both in the compacting chamber and in the bale extrusion channel. The 110L models feature variable displacement piston pumps. Combined with a manifold cartridge block and high-efficiency motors, the MacPress hydraulic circuit provides considerable savings. These features reduce electricity consumption, minimize heat, eliminate hydraulic shock, and use only the compacting force appropriate to the material being baled. This means the variable displacement piston pump self-adjusts depending on what type of material is to be baled. The Mac 110L model can produce bales of solid waste weighing 1,000 kilograms per cubic meter, or approximately 60 pounds per cubic foot. These densities can be achieved with loose incoming material weighing 250 to 300 kilos per cubic meter, or 19 to 23 pounds per cubic foot. The Mac 110L model has a 125 horsepower motor and delivers a thrust of 170 metric tons, or 99,400 pounds. Each baler weighs 44,300 kilos, or 152,000 pounds. Bales measure 1,100 millimeters by 1,100 millimeters by variable length, or 43 inches by 43 inches by variable length. The wire binding unit was designed specifically for heavy-duty operation and ties 5 strands of black annealed baling wire at the same time. The wire binding unit rotates at 90 degrees. It is positioned away from the baler and debris until a tying cycle is initiated. After tying, it rotates back, out of the way. 5 wires are tied simultaneously in about 20 seconds. This facility features 2 automatic wrapping lines. The amount of film used is up to the customer and varies depending on the requirements of each individual facility. Clearly, the less film used, the lower the operating costs, and the less time is needed to wrap each bale. The wrapped bales are removed from the conveyor belt with a standard forklift, equipped with a special hydraulic clamp, so as not to pierce the plastic film. Bales are loaded onto an ordinary articulated truck, and then sent to the storage area, which is in an uncovered yard. Bales are then stacked up to 20 meters or 60 feet high. Bales can resist the elements for several years depending on the climate.